I'll show you several ways you can filter data by the date. While you're in the block of data on the Home tab, just go to Sort and Filter and turn on Filter. So we'll focus on the date column. If I click this drop down, it gives me filter options. So I can filter by a specific year, simply uncheck the year I don't want, or we can get a little fancier with our filters and go to date filters. And here you can filter anything before a date, after a date, between a date. When this video was recorded, it was Monday, January 8th. So if I'd like to see anything that was happening in the last week, I'll just choose last week. And now it's filtered out the data to show me just those records that have a date of last week. I can go back to the filter. I'll go back to date and filter. And this time I'd like to see anything that's happening tomorrow. And I'll go back to filters one more time. I can clear the date filter. I still have my filters going, but I don't have any date filters applied.